So today I'm gonna return an Amazon package, and I think this is an interesting use of an e-bike because in most cases if you're just gonna drop off a package, you probably use your car. You're gonna be the only driver, and technically more than 80% of your car is empty, and your weight compared to the weight of the car is pretty much insignificant. So if you use an e-bike for a trip like this, you're actually gonna save a lot of energy. And even if you're using an electric car, so if you see the numbers up there in the video, they actually compare how much money you would save versus a Tesla Model 3, or how much less CO2 emissions you would have compared again to a Tesla Model 3. So obviously calories is basically something that you probably won't be able to match in a car, but even if it's electric or not. In today's trip, I'm gonna take a path that would be suggested by Google Maps, but it won't work. And we have a big bump here. I don't know when they're gonna fix that, but yeah, so we're gonna go through the path that is recommended by Google Maps. And I know for a fact that it won't work, but I just want to kind of show how inaccurate Google Maps can get when you are using the bicycle. Actually, it's gonna work today. This gate is not always open, so you won't be able to get through the path, the road at the back, which is what Google Drive suggests. But I guess today we got lucky, so that's that. We are almost there. I think there's a very high likelihood that if I would just drive here, it would take longer. And that's mainly because there would be 3 traffic lights if I was not riding my bicycle, and wouldn't use the path that we just used.
Few moments later. One eternity later.
If I recall correctly, this traffic light can actually work in interesting ways, so I'm not gonna take chance. It's gonna make it much easier.
Much later.
Alright, I think it's gonna be right. So in this rather short trip, which was only 14 minutes, I managed to save around $3 and I reduced my emissions by 301 gram and I managed to burn 85 kilocalories. And I think that's great considering that this was just a 14 minutes trip and I only covered 2.37 miles. In conclusion, it ain't much, but it's honest work.